Well, hello there. Today I'm at Patterdale and we're going to do a wild camp at Angle Tarn. Bit wet and breezy day. We've just opened the video at the church, just under a bit of shelter. But today I've got Max with me and she's back. Helen, can I get rid of her? She's come back. So we're going to set off. Like I say, it's a bit breezy and showery. It seems to have stopped raining at the present, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. So we'll get as far as we can. Catch you in a bit. There's the Hilleberg range at the top. Got covered in the snow on it. It's a cold day, I must admit. Well, we're starting to climb up now. Sorry, I couldn't get it wrong. Right, we're starting to climb up now. We're straight up and it flattens off a little bit and we'll have a good rest there. But it's warming up now. Now I've got my raincoat on. But this is one of my favourite places below. I've wild camped up here before and I've been to the Tarn many times, so has Helen. But Helen's never wild camped it, so I'm going to get that done today. Give you a little look at these views. One of my favourite areas in the lakes. Nice view of Patterdale. It's a nice walk up there, nice and steep. Do a camp up there soon. Well, it's getting quite breezy now, like we've just stopped for a rest and get a move on. Woo! Nice and windy. Catch you when we're there. Here we are. Here we are, Angle Tarn. I'm just walking down there. I think we might be trying over this end somewhere over here. So I might walk around the back. But it looks great. Get the tent up because it's getting very windy. We'll get the tent up because it's getting windy now. And some climb all the kit. Right, I'll get the tent up and get back to you. Right, just managed to get the tent up. Sorry, just managed to get the tent up. It's kind of breezy like, but it always holds up well, this one. It's the Nallo GT2, lovely tent. Anyway, I'll give you a look. That's it there. I've got a couple of delta pegs in. I should have bought another two, but never mind. That's it. Holds up the wind well. I always face the front in and it's never let me down yet. So, whoa, it's nippy. I'm going to get inside with the dog and sort things out and we'll get back here. Well, we've got the dinner on. We're having vegetables, getting them all boiled up there, and what's that? Sausage. Sausage. We're having sausage, or I'm getting all steamed up. Just be a second. Getting all steamed up. It's absolutely, well, it's really windy outside. We kind of cook outside, it's really windy, so we're going to cook in here. Nice and safe, we've got just easy to get out. We're not having much really, we're just having the vegetables and sausage and a cup of tea and maybe have a look around after this. So Max is behind me, he's been fed. So we're just basically going to eat this now and we'll get back to you later. Wind's not letting down like, is it? Right, catch you later. Well, hello. We've just had our tea. Helen's come in handy tidying up for a change. I did the cooking. She's tidying up. Oh, it's windy out there. I just can't be bothered to go outside. It's that windy. Yeah. Are you going out?
We'll have to. We don't have to take him out.
Helen's going to take the dog out for us. Don't know if you can hear it, but it is very breezy, like. Got a good spot. It's not quite dry, the spot, wasn't it? Isn't it? It's not boggy or nothing. But round the bottom end, it was really boggy. There was a nice little peninsula sticking out. We're having a look at, but it was just really boggy. So anyway, I'm not too sure what we're going to be doing soon. We'll just get back. We've decided to just having it. Well, it's quite late. What time did you say it was? About 9?
No.
8:45. About 8:45, 9 o'clock. We decided just to we'll get into bed really, and just have a chat and chill out. It's not very pleasant outside. It's quite cold and breezy, so Max is in his bag. We'll just leave this down till we go to, till we're ready to go to sleep. Anyway, we're going to see them in the morning, Max. Well, hopefully it'll be a bit more pleasant weather. Hello. Hello. We're just getting up. What a night, wasn't it?
Oh, horrendous.
Windy, really.
Wind never stopped.
Oh. Didn't get no sleep, did we, Max?
Must be mad. I don't know why we do this. Must be bloody mad.
Max ended up coming in here. Oh. Anyway, we're going to get up and have a little look around, I think. Then have a cup of tea, or we'll have our breakfast first.
Oh, I need a drink.
Oh, God. Right, we'll catch you later on. Woo. There's Max, having a good time. Are you alright, son? Yeah, Mummy's forgot your breakfast, didn't she? Oh. It'd help if you put the bottom on the top. It's just pouring out. Oh my God. Been one of them mornings. It's very windy, but I'm sheltered where I am. But when you get up near the tent, it's windy, then it starts to pelt down. So I took this chance to get some water. We need a bit more water. Have a cup of tea before we pack up. Oh God, oh my. I love these bottles where the water carriers, they're great. One of the best ones I've had. For collecting water when it's cold on a cold day or whatever, it's a lot better than the soya summit ones. Soya ones. Really good. Just slide it on and you're done. Right, we'll have another cup of tea and I think we'll be slowly packing up. Might have my cup of tea down here. Actually, it's nice and sheltered, but at the top it's quite windy. The geese were making a noise last night as well. But they were right over here, over on the islands. But oh, they let go, they do. Anyway, I'll get the tea on. Hello, Mr. Slug. Having a good time? There's quite a few of them around. Oh yeah, there's one there. All over the place. Nice big juicy one there. They're massive, tell you the truth. We've got our Nallo GT2 done me proud again. It holds up really well. It's not a bad spot we're in. It wasn't boggy or anything like that round on our spot, but some of the spots around the tarn were very boggy. Yep, it's been a good camp. It's good getting out in the tent. But it's been a cold and wet and a windy one again, but not too bad. Helen's not too keen on the wind, like, but apart from that, everything's all right. But this is my second camp at Angle Tarn. It's Helen's first. We've passed the tarn many a times on walks we've been doing. We've passed it many times. But yeah, but as normal, somebody's spoilt it for her. There's been fire here at a previous time. It looks like kind of big and all, you know what I mean. And there's also been a couple of fire pits they've put the turf back on top. Oh, it's pathetic. Well, hello there. That's my wild camp over at Angle Tarn. How did you enjoy that one, Helen?
To be honest, too windy.
Too windy, and I think the next time we'll bring the chairs. I've got the chairs, never used them again. Second time I've done it. I'm going to make sure it's a good bloody day before I bring them up. So anyway, we've left no mess. It's nice and tidy. That fire was there the previous time. There's Max all ready to go. She's ready to go. I'm ready to go. So wind picking up very strong again. It's getting blown all over. So we'll get off and get down, and thanks for watching. Bye.